Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. In today's video, we'll be looking at simplification of surd. In my last video, I posted some surd which I solved. I posted 4 examples under simplification of surd which I've already solved, and I also explained the meaning of surd. If we talk about surd in mathematics, surd refers to irrational number. Example of surd, we have root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 10, root 11, so on and so forth. Why is root 2 a surd? If we take the square root of 2, the answer we are going to get is not going to be a whole number. Any number such that if we take the square root does not give us a whole number, it means that number is a surd. So today we are going to be simplifying. We are going to be solving some example under simplification of surd. I will be making this video very brief. I'm going to be solving example from 1 to 4. I'll make the video very brief. Each video I'm going to be solving one example. So we have an example in front of us. Simplify root 50. So we are going to take a solution of this. We'll take a solution of this. To solve this is very easy. We have root 50. If you want to simplify this surd, 50 is a surd. The square root of 50 will not give us whole number. Since it will not give us whole number, it's a surd. For us to simplify this 50, first and foremost, we look for a number such that if we take the square root of that number, it will give us whole number. We now use that number to multiply another number that can give us 50. Meaning we are going to look for one rational number that will multiply with one irrational number that can give us 50. If we look at it critically, 25 times 50, 25 times 2, is 50. 25 is, if we take the square root of 25, it will give us whole number. But if we take the square root of 2, the square root of 2 will give us, it will not give us whole number. So 2 is irrational number. So we are going to be using a rational number to multiply rational number that can give us 50. So we are going to have root 25 times 2. This will be our first step, such that we split it. So we have 25 times root 2. If we take the square root of 25, the answer is what? 5. 5 times root 2. 5 times root 2 is what? 5 root 2. So this is our answer for this particular question. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. If you have any question to ask, drop it in the comments box below. Drop it in the comment section below. I will attend to your question. Please subscribe, follow my page. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.